Is your installation at altitude? Mexico City, Bogotá, Quito, La Paz, Denver. All of these cities are hundreds or thousands of meters above sea level, and many pumping systems in these cities use calculations designed for sea level. That means your pump could be cavitating right now, destroying itself from the inside, and your numbers say everything is fine. Today, we're going to recalculate NPSH for high-altitude installations. Why does altitude matter? Because atmospheric pressure is the starting point of every suction calculation. The Barometric Formula tells us that pressure decreases exponentially with elevation. At sea level, you have 10.33 meters of water column. At 1,500 meters, you're already down to 8.6. At 3,000 meters, only 7.1. Those meters you lose are subtracted directly from the available NPSH. There's no way to recover them. Let's look at the numbers with a real system. PVC pipe, 75 millimeters, flow rate of 10 liters per second, 3 meters of suction height, foot valve, elbow, and contraction. The NPSH required by the pump is 2.5 meters. At sea level, the available NPSH is 3.58 meters. 1 meter margin, system is safe. At 1,000 meters altitude, it drops to 2.41. We're already below the required value. At 2,000 meters, the available NPSH falls to 1.35. The pump is cavitating severely, and at 3,000 meters, barely 0.39. Total destruction. It's recommended to leave a margin of at least 0.3 meters above the required NPSH. Above 1,000 meters of altitude, always recalculate. How to compensate for the lack of atmospheric pressure at altitude. First, reduce the suction height. Move the pump closer to the water. Every meter you gain is 1 more meter of available NPSH. Second, increase the suction pipe diameter. Lower velocity means lower losses. Third, choose a foot valve with a low K coefficient. As we saw in the previous video, the swing type saves valuable meters. Fourth, consider a submersible pump to eliminate the suction problem entirely. And fifth, control the water temperature. Lower temperature, lower vapor pressure, more available NPSH. If your installation is above 1,000 meters, recalculate everything. Sea level numbers don't apply. Calculate your real available NPSH with the app. Subscribe for more hydraulics content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.